I'm going to do a quick little view of the new 2017 Toyota Sienna. This is the D4S engine that was just released. It's a 3.5 liter V6, 296 horsepower and 263 pound-feet of torque. It also comes with an 8-speed transmission. So we'll look under the cover here. This engine will also be in the Highlander. They still have the electronic power steering module here. There's no power steering fluid or anything that's needed. Otherwise, it's still a nice, open, I'm sure easy to work on engine. If you have any questions, like and subscribe to the page, and would love to show you some more.